Up exponential functions, right? It already gave it away. In this case, exponential functions, you're more than likely going to be dealing with the table, right? You're going to see this in the FRQ part, FRQ2, right? So what you have to realize is, what's my equation? You have to remember, what's the equation for exponentials? So for exponentials, my equation is y equals a times b to the power of x. So here we go. What's a? Well, a is your initial value, right? Basically, it's when x is equal to 0. So if I notice here, my t, basically my x, and my function here, my function name is basically my y. The m of t is my y. So now focus on the x. So focus on the top numbers. Where is x equals to 0? You're going to notice that it's right at the beginning. That means my a has a value of 5 because that's my initial value. That's where I'm starting, right? Think of it like my y-intercept. Now, what's up with the b? Now you have to figure out what's the pattern. Is my graph increasing, right? You have to focus on the y. Is my graph increasing or decreasing, right? It's basically a multiple. So from 5 to 10, what happened? We are going up by a multiple of 2. What about from 10 to 20? Also a multiple of 2, right? And you're going to notice that this pattern keeps repeating, right, until you get to the 80. So therefore, my b is increasing by a multiple of 2. And the x, just leave it alone. So the answer is, what's my answer? A, B, C, or D? Well, we're not adding. These two were automatically out, right? So in this case, instead of x, they just have t here, right? So my answer is C. And this is your exponential function.